So what's up, guys? Now imagine we have two unlabeled gas canisters in a hospital, with one filled with hydrogen gas and the other filled with oxygen gas. Now how would we decipher which gas is oxygen? Because treating a sick fellow with hydrogen gas will be fatal. Well, this brings us to our lesson on the test for oxygen. In this lesson, we will learn how to certify that an unknown gas is or isn't oxygen. The test which often distinguishes oxygen from other gases is the rekindling of a glowing splinter. Now, let's assist this confused doctor by carrying out an experiment to determine which canister contains oxygen gas. To carry out this experiment, the apparatus needed include a lit candle, a splinter, test tube, and siphon. First, we use the siphon to transfer a small quantity of gas from the canister labeled A into the test tube. Having done that, we ignite our splinter with the lit candle, and just as the flame begins to die off, we introduce the splinter into the test tube containing the gas. As you can see, immediately the splinter is introduced into the test tube, the dying flame is rekindled. Now this gas which rekindles a glowing splinter is oxygen gas. We repeat this procedure with the gas in the canister B. Using our siphon, we transfer some of the gas in B into our test tube. But as you can see, the gas in B exits the test tube as it is put in. This indicates that the gas is lighter than air. Hence, it is not oxygen. But to be extra sure, let's complete the experiment. We can trap the gas by inverting the test tube and siphoning the gas from canister B into the inverted test tube. Now, we repeat the process from earlier as we ignite the splinter, and just as the flame begins to die off, we place the splinter into the inverted test tube. You can see that the flame was not rekindled. However, I heard a pop sound. Did you? This confirms that the gas in canister B is not oxygen, but hydrogen. Now that we have confirmed that the gas in canister A is oxygen gas, it is worth mentioning that dinitrogen 1 oxide gas also rekindles a glowing splinter. However, we can distinguish both gases by their physical properties. For example, while oxygen gas is odorless, dinitrogen 1 oxide gas has a pleasant smell. Also, while oxygen gas is only sparingly soluble in water, dinitrogen 1 oxide gas is appreciably soluble in water. To put simply, I want you to take one thing in particular from this lesson, and it is oxygen can be distinguished from other gases aside dinitrogen 1 oxide gas by the fact that oxygen gas rekindles a glowing splinter. I'll see you soon.